Good evening everyone. Today I will teach you how you can make the quiz through Google Forms. So open any browser, it can be Google Chrome or any browser. Type Google Forms. As soon as you will type Google Forms, you will see one option, Google Forms free online survey. In that, click on Google Form create option. Click on this personal, go to Google Form. Okay, so this page will be appeared. You can choose this theme option, you can choose any of the color if you want. If you want any image, you can choose that. I am not choosing anything. Untitled form, you can name whatever you want. So I am naming it as demo quiz. We can name this also, we can name this as demo quiz. I have named. Any description, attempt all the questions. Now I have to type the question, any question we can type, and the option here are short answer, paragraph, multiple choice, checkbox. In checkbox, the student will be able to select more than one option. So first question I will type, first question we will do short answer. We will name the write the question as name of the student. Name of the student. In this, the student will write its name, his or her name, and we have to mark all the questions as required. We have to on the required option. If we will not on the required question, student can move or submit the form without solving any of the question. So we have to mark this as required. Click on this add button. As we will click, one more question will be generated. So here I am writing name the process by which plants prepare their food. Okay, so this is multiple choice question. I will write option 1 as germination, option 2 as photosynthesis. Now if you want to add more question, you can go on adding the options. I only want 2 questions, so I am marking this question as required. Again I am clicking on the plus option, add option. One more question is generated. Here I will write, the question, which part of the plant prepare food. So I am writing the options. Option 1 as leaves, option 2 as stem. Okay, now I am marking this again required. Then again I will click on this add option. Name the pigment present in leaves. This question I am marking as short answer 1. Okay, the student can write short answer for this question. Now again I am marking it as required. Again I am clicking on this option. Now the next question I will write which gas is released during photosynthesis. Now again I am marking as carbon dioxide. Next option I am writing as oxygen, and one more option if I want, I will write as nitrogen. Okay, and this question also I am marking as required. So for this demo I am just making the quiz of these many questions. Now what I will do is I will go to this 3 dots. I will click, I will go on the setting button, and for the setting, if you want the email addresses, you can click on that, but I don't want the email addresses for this. But we will do this limit to one response. As we will on this option, the student can fill this form or perform this quiz only once. as some of the students may do. If we are not switching on this option, they can see the correct answers, then again they can solve the quiz. So to not to do so, we have to on this option. And respondent this we are not doing anything. We will click on this arrow button. We will see quizzes. So we are making this as quiz. We have to on this option, making this as quiz. Release marks option immediately after each submission. As soon as the student will submit the form or this quiz, he will be able to see his marks. Whatever marks he will get, he will be able to see that, and he will be able to see the missed questions one, the correct answers and the point values, how many points he or she got. Now I will click on this save button. This quiz is saved. Now what we have to do is, we will click on this and we will see this tick button. We can see, I will click on this blue tick button, and from this I can mark the correct option. Like for this, the answer is photosynthesis. I know this answer is photosynthesis, and how many marks I want to give. Like for each answer I want to give 2 points, so I give 2 points for this. Now if you want to give any feedback for incorrect answer, oops, we can write as oops, wrong answer, and for correct answer, good. So this will come as the feedback. I will save this. Now what I will do is, second question, again what I will do, I will take on this blue button, tick button. I will mark the correct answer. Again for this I want to give 2 points for the correct answer. Now this green pigment one, I will mark this. Add correct answer, name the pigment chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is the correct answer. Mark all other answers as incorrect. If the students write any other option or answer except this one, so it will be marked as wrong. So this is, I want to give 2 points for this answer. Now which gas is released during photosynthesis? Again I will click on this blue tick button. I will write as which gas is released, oxygen is released, so this is the right option. I will mark this also as 2 points. I am giving 2 points for the correct option. So like this my quiz is saved. Now I have marked all the correct answers in that, and now what I will do is, I will click on this button, this arrow type of button, and from that if I want to send that on email, but we don't have email of all the students, so the easier option is that we can click on this copy link button, this button that is coming in purple now. We can copy the link from here and we can paste the link in our WhatsApp group. Wherever WhatsApp group of students we are having, we can paste that link, and as the students will click on that link, this Google form will be shown to them. They can solve that Google form, and as soon as they will submit, you can see the responses in this response button. As now no one has responded to this, we are accepting the responses, and as you have given the limit, means I want the test till 10 PM. So after 10 PM, at 10 PM I can switch off this button, no accepting responses. So the students cannot solve the that link will not be open, and it will be shown as means the server is not taking any other responses. So total points is 8, means for every question I gave 2 points and I gave 4 questions in this, so total of 8 points. Now if any student performed any 3 answers correctly and 1 answer wrong, so he will get 6 points. He will get 6 points. So it will be shown to the teacher as well, and as well as to the student, and he will get to know that which answer is wrong and which is the correct answer then and there. So this is the way in which we can use Google Forms. Thank you.